Best wishes. Niharika Singh, you are attending the interview with the Union Bank of India for Forex officers.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, what is the difference between the job role of a ordinary officer and a Forex officer?
Sorry, sir.
Job role of a Forex officer.
Sir, forex officer see the transaction. What is currency going outward and flowing in the country and going outflow of the country, and also see the provide the pre-shipment credit, post-shipment credit, and also um, they say the how many goods export the outside and inside in currency.
No, no. इस question के लिए आप दूसरा मपी you can answer it in a different way. For example, the job role of a probationary officer is to take care of the day-to-day working at the branch, like say cash counter,
Sir,
then
sir,
deposit count.
I didn't hear difference. I hear just only role of forex officer.
No, you must. I wanted you to tell me what is the job role of an officer, what is the job role of a forex officer, and what is the difference between these two.
Sir, provisionary officer is a general term. They see all the roles which provide by the officer, and many time like as providing loan and in general term. But forex officer just they have a specialist officer, so they just see the forex role, not general term.
Hmm, good. So what are the jobs coming under forex officer's role? What are all the things he has to do?
Sir,
Hello,
forex, yes, sir.
forex officer ने क्या? What are the works he has to perform?
They perform the currency, how many incoming the inflow the country and how many currency outflow the country. And
You don't
also
you
anyone, there
don't
also
say, do not say country. After all, we are dealing with our account only. So, as an officer, I am responsible for handling the export and import transactions of my customer.
yeah, sorry,
So,
sir.
my customer will give the documents relating to exports made by him. I will have to send the documents for collection, collect the money, and credit the amount to his account. And while collecting the amount, I have to purchase the foreign exchange and get it converted to Indian rupees. Similarly, when my importer is asking for importing, I will receive the documents from the foreign supplier and I will submit the documents to my importer who will make payment of money in Indian rupees. I will get it converted into exchanged into foreign exchange and remit to the foreign exporter. ऐसा मपी properly explain करना है. Apart from
Ye-
this, the forex officer also will be in charge of buying of foreign exchange for people going abroad and say selling of foreign exchange for people going abroad like that. Money exchange also is done by the foreign exchange officer. Besides this, his job is also to communicate the sanction for packing credit, post shipment credit, and all that, and also issue letter of credit and guarantees. Could you follow now what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you try to repeat what I said in a project in a cogent manner?
And sir, change the currency. Like as any person have
They
dollar, they bend.
दे मत बोलिए, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ऑफिसर। हेलो, दे का मतलब किसको बोल रहे हैं आप?
सर फॉरेक्स ऑफिस।
हाँ, तो इसलिए स्पेशली पहले बार जब हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू यूज द वर्ड फॉरेक्स ऑफिसर। नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन से ही और शी। समझ गया?
ओके सर।
प्लीज टेल।
सर फॉरेक्स ऑफिसर चेंज द करेंसी if any person of India came from foreign, they went to a bank and they want to change their currency. So it's a work of foreign officer. They change the currency, and if anyone also wanted to open their account like as NRE, NRO, then forex officer role is also they open the account uh, of the NRE, NRO of the uh, NRI person and also Indian person.
Oh, this one I omitted to tell. Correct. That NRE, NRO also you can say. In the case of NRE, you are receiving foreign currency. In the case of FC NRD also, you are receiving foreign currency, making payment of foreign currency. Good point, Nigarika. I really appreciate you. Good point.
Thank
ये तो हमने भूल गया. Yes, please. Now,
sorry sir.
no. What you said is right. That is a new NRE also must be told, and you told correctly. Can you explain about post-shipment credit to exporters?
Sir, post shipment credit when any exporter export their product to the to another country, then after that they have require of the credit like as for working mm, their work sir
Post ship. Hmm.
sir after export they have required to credit further their day to day mm, sir I forget the
No,
word.
actually, no. Post-shipment credit का मतलब,
Sir,
see,
they have
whenever
required working capital, so they went to bank and take after export the credit.
Hmm. But आप हिंदी में बोलिए. I think you are struggling in English. थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलिए.
सर जब कोई एक्सपोर्टर एक्सपोर्ट करता है अपने गुड्स या कमोडिटीज, तो सर उन्हें उन्हें जो है एक्सपोर्ट करने के बाद उन्हें एक वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायर होती है, तो जो वो कैपिटल बैंक से लेते हैं लोन, वो पोस्ट शिपमेंट क्रेडिट होता है।
हाँ, अभी सही बोल रहा है आप. जब एक एक्सपोर्टर ने एक्सपोर्ट कर लिया, उसका बाद में वो बिल्स को बैंक को देके उसको परचेज करने के लिए तो और कलेक्ट करने के लिए तो देंगे. इसको हमारा एक्सपोर्टर्स बैंक कलेक्ट करेगा और परचेज करेगा करके इनको पैसा देगा. दैट
यस सर।
फैसिलिटी. लेकिन पोस्ट शिपमेंट फैसिलिटी का मतलब उस बिल को हमारा बैंक परचेज कर लेगा, पहले ही दे देगा. बाद में वो इंपोर्टर से जब पैसा आएगा, हम ये अकाउंट को एडजस्ट कर लेगा. समझ गया? कुछ मार्जिन रख के पेमेंट करेगा. $100 होगा तो $85 समथिंग दे विल पे टू दी इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्टर. बाद में वापस आने के बाद में एडजस्ट कर लेगा. समझ गया?
यस सर।
You told this nicely. Please continue to answer in Hindi wherever you can. You are very nice in answering in Hindi.
ओके
आपको यूबीआई के बारे में क्या जानते हैं? उसके बारे में बराबर बता दीजिए.
सर, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया is a leading public sector bank, and it is established at 11th November 1999, and its
हाँ, हाँ,
MD
हाँ,
and
हाँ. हेलो, सुनो.
yes sir
11th November 1999. गल,
19
गलत है.
19
गलत है जी,
सर
गलत है जी.
सर 1919।
1919. That means 1919. करेक्ट.
यस सर।
आपने बता दिया 1999.
सर वो
गलती हो गया ना. और
यस सर आई वाज लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज।
अच्छा, ठीक है, अभी
सर
बोलिए. हम्म.
इट्स MD and CEO A Money Meklai, and
हाँ,
it's
सुपर. You are telling her name very nicely. Why don't you repeat again? Is MD? Please tell who is MD?
A money makes life.
You are telling nicely. Good. It's a South
Is it
Indian name.
wrong?
Yeah, no, nothing wrong. But the
Okay.
pronunciation was very sweet. Yeah. Please tell.
Thank you, sir.
Mm.
Sir, Union Bank of India has a 8,400 plus domestic branches and 9,300 plus ATMs and 7,500 plus employee and 153 million plus customers. And it's सर इसका सर मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन 1.08 बिलियन एंड सर इसका रेवेन्यू 21,26,412 crore and its gross NPA is 4.76% and net NPA is 1.03% and
Hmm. Everything
sir
okay.
it's
Everything
good
okay, but I am doubtful.
bank.
I am doubtful about one point. You said about number of employees. 7,500 बताया था. Is it correct or 75,000?
Sir,
Hello?
yeah, I written 7,500. Maybe I written wrong, so I learned 7,500.
No, but correct number कितना है? 1 minute. It must be 75,000, Baba. Number of
Yes,
employees
sir, I think.
in Union Bank of India. State Bank में तो correct. 76,700 employees.
Sir, 1,000.
76,700 employees.
Okay, sir.
हेलो, आपने
Yes,
गलत
sir.
बोल दिया. आपने गलत बोल दिया जी.
Yes, sir. Uh,
ना
yeah,
हमको
sir.
उतना ठीक से सुनते नहीं है, बट फिर भी इस बार हमने सुन लिया करेक्टली. बट कुछ फर्क पड़ता है. अरे भाई, 7,500 ब्रांचेस रखेगा, उनको 7,500 आदमी कैसे संभाल लेगा ये सब पूरा काम? ऐसा
Yeah, sir.
सोचा.
I think written mistake, so
ओ,
write down mistake.
या कोई बात नहीं. और बोलिए. गुड गुड. अच्छा जी, हमने कुछ पर्टिकुलर्स मांगा, हमारा पीएनबी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में दिया है, उसमें से उसको डाउनलोड करके उसको फिलअप करके हमको भेजो ना.
Sir, I am not in PNB group. Sir, I am only newspaper.
Why are you not in PNB group? Huh?
Sir, you are not added me.
Not adding. आप लोग ज्वाइन करना है
Yes,
जी. पर मे भी
still
हमने
I
ओमिट कर
go
लिया
out to
भेजने का.
join.
ओमिट कर लिया भेजने का. अभी भेज देगा. निगारिका.
Okay.
1 मिनट ठहरो. निगारिका तो गुड कैंडिडेट. अभी दिया जी आपको.
Thank you, sir.
आप ज्वाइन कर लो. लेकिन अभी तो आप देख सकते नहीं हैं, इसलिए हमने क्या करना है, आपको उधर से और एक कॉपी करके और एक आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, बाद में हम ऐड करेगा जो आप हमको देना है.
Okay, sir.
या 1 मिनट इधर है जी. इधर है. एक दे देगा आपको. आई एम गिविंग यू इन योर ओन व्हाट्सएप इटसेल्फ. सेवन
Sir,
सिक्स फाइव
yes, sir, I send you request.
नो नो, अभी भेज दिया.
Okay.
दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. आई वांट यू टू वर्क आउट प्रॉपरली, कंपाइल करके बाद में भेज दीजिए. अभी इस क्वेश्चन को इसका साथ में हम स्टॉप कर देते हैं, आप प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
नाउ हु इज द फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर कंट्री?
Sir, Mr. S. Jaishankar.
यू आर फ्रॉम विच स्टेट?
Sir, Uttar Pradesh.
हु इज द फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश?
Sir, Suresh Khanna.
नहीं बाबा, नो बडी इज फॉरेन अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर.
Sir, sorry, I thought finance minister.
Okay, no problem. Just I wanted to cut a joke on you. Now, what is ECGC?
Sir, ECGC is a Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. It is provide to guarantee to the exporter. They have and it's also to फिर उन्हें बढ़ावा देता है एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए, लाइक एज उन्हें किसी लॉस से लाइक एज एनी रिस्क हो गया अनसर्टेन, तो इसलिए इसी उन्हें एक इंश्योरेंस देता है जिससे वो अपने एक्सपोर्ट को आसानी से कर सके, और उन्हें अगर कोई लॉस हो तो इसी उन्हें क्रेडिट प्रोवाइड कर देता है।
Good. Excellent. You are told nicely. And what is your ambition in life?
I want to become successful person. I also want to help to the needy person.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is a retired employee of post office.
Oh, great, great, great. Mummy?
Sir, my mother is a homemaker.
Acha. Good. How many siblings Niharika has?
Sir, we have 5 siblings, two brother and I have 2 brother and 2 sisters.
You are the last one?
Yeah, sir.
You told me last time, I remember.
Yeah, sir. I
Good.
told you.
What is the advantage to be the last child?
Sir, because if you last one, then everyone give you guidance, and also you got the love of all brother and sister, and what you confused, they guide you where you mean what you can do, and
ज्यादा प्यार दे देते
yeah, sir, it's also.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताओ बीइंग अ लास्ट चाइल्ड उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है
सर being a last child, सर सारे लोग आपको डांटते हैं, मतलब आप किसी को डांट नहीं सकते हो, तो बस सर यही डिसएडवांटेज है और सारे एडवांटेज है।
वेरी गुड आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस एवरीबडी टेल्स यू डू दैट सब काम आप करने पड़ता है ना घर में
नो सर, नो सर,
ऐसा
इट्स
नहीं है
एडवांटेज। या
अच्छा
सर।
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं बेस्ट विशेस गॉड ब्लेस यू prepare very well go through latest newspaper reports and all and then go and appear for interview. Now, last question for you. Tell me some current affair news.
सर आरबीआई मेक 3 portal, one is Pravah and one is fintech, I think, sir, third is I haven't remember. So because I didn't read current news, so
बिना current
sorry,
news
sorry, sir.
पढ़ना you should not go to interview. You must know what is the Bombay Stock Exchange. At what time is your interview? सुबह ना शाम
सर शाम में है।
शाम में है तो दिन का एक समय पर आप बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज रेट नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज रेट देख लीजिए हमारा यूबीआई का स्टॉक
यस सर।
एक्सचेंज वैल्यू भी देख लीजिए देख के जाइएगा ठीक है
यस सर, यूपीआई 142 अप्रॉक्स।
नो नो अब अभी जरूरत नहीं बाद में पढ़ लीजिए थैंक यू
ओके सर।